An investigation has been launched by the Florida State Bar Association into the conduct of a lawyer representing Nicholas Cruz, the perpetrator of the Parkland massacre. During the sentencing phase of Cruz's trial, public defender Tamara was captured on camera in what appeared to be a provocative gesture. In the footage, Tamara can be seen expressing annoyance at a cameraman who was pointing a lens in her direction before a court session began. Subsequently, she seemed to consult with Cruz and another member of her defense team at the table, before making a wave towards the camera and raising her middle finger while casually scratching the side of her face. This seemingly juvenile gesture elicited an unexpected chuckle from Cruz himself, who had just been sentenced to life in prison for the horrific mass shooting that claimed the lives of 14 students and 3 teachers, marking one of the darkest moments in American history. The behavior of Curtis was strongly condemned by several relatives of the victims of the Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School tragedy, who felt that Cruz's defense team displayed a lack of basic empathy throughout the trial. Fred Gutenberg, a grieving parent whose daughter lost her life in the attack, expressed his anger and disappointment at Curtis's gesture, referring to her as an immature punk child and vowing never to forgive the moment. Other speakers who addressed the court before Cruz's sentencing similarly voiced their disdain for Cruz's defense attorneys, who even complained to the judge about what they perceived as the victims' families inciting violence against them. Manuel Oliver, who tragically lost his son Joaquin in the shooting, derisively referred to Curtis as the middle finger lady and, during Wednesday's proceedings, made the same obscene gesture towards the defense table. He questioned the defense's focus on their own safety concerns, asking, "What about our children?" and warned Cruz's lawyers that their perceived lack of brevity during a trial involving 17 deaths would undoubtedly generate public revulsion. The jury had previously decided against imposing the death penalty on Cruz during his sentencing trial, citing underlying factors such as fetal alcohol syndrome and a challenging upbringing as mitigating circumstances. Curtis, who holds a law degree from Ohio State University and has been practicing law since 2004 with no prior disciplinary history, now finds herself under investigation by the Bar Association. Whatever happened to Nicholas Cruz's Karen lawyer? She was made to pay $2,000 and forced to attend a workshop. However, this is far from what the public wants, which is to have her removed. A judge was forced to resign and a Karen lawyer was made to pay $2,000.